So I'll explain you the query and I'll explain the new thing. Okay. So here I'll remove those things till here. Okay. So here is the duplicate values are there in LIC number. Here games are there. See, if you do with VLOOKUP, it will pick up first occurrence. Only this will pick up. It will ignore the second one. It will ignore the third one. Okay, it will pick up the first occurrent value. So what you do for that, before starting, I'll explain you one thing, that is rows. Where we are in G8. Wait a minute, we are in G8. G8. The cell in G8. So what I'll do, rows $8 colon G8. So what it will do, I'm locking the row. See, I'm locking the row, but not the column, because it's a rows function. What I'll do, I'll drag this. So it will show you one, two, wherever you drag, it will show you that many numbers, serial numbers, continuously. Okay, and another thing is that I'll use the columns. Where we are, I'm locking the column now. $G colon G8. So, yes. Okay, I type the columns. If it in columns, you have to log the column. If it is in rows, you have to log the row. Okay, this is the first thing. And another thing is that 1 divided by 2 to give you the answer 1. Okay, 1 is equal to 1 divided by false. So it will give you the 0 by divisible error. Because true indicates 1 and false indicates 0. 1 divisible by error, this error will come. So what I'll do, I'll show you two methods, guys. Okay. First is with Control Shift and Enter. Another one is explained. Not now. Okay. Now, first of all, what you'll do, if in this range F4 equal to this, I'm locking the F4, I'm locking the column. What I have to drag formula is like this. So column should lock and row should move accordingly. It's a relative reference. If it is true, what I'll do, here only I'll explain you that. So I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Control Shift Enter F4, sorry, Control Shift down arrow F4 minus. So what it will give you, it will start from 6. See what it will start. F9, 6, 7, 8. I need from 1, 2, 3. So what I'll do, minus row of this F4, locking from all sides. Now let us check. It will start from 0. But I need from 1 to 3. What I'll do, I add 1. Close button. Now it will give you the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. F9. So what it will do, wherever it see here F9, here also F9, value true. F9, see, wherever it finds the true in this place, it will pick up the occurrence of the value. Okay, wherever it is, all falses are there, true will be there. Where it is, true will be there. Wait a minute, did I select it correctly? Yes, correctly. See, if I had only this one, F9, 2 should come here. 2 should come. It will be there because large data we can't see. What I'll do is an array function. We have to use Control Shift and Enter. This is really the false. Let's check it. What's wrong in here? Procedure is correct. What went wrong? We are checking these numbers in this. 5319. Yes, it is there, but it's showing false. Why? Correct at this range. Correct at this range. Equal to 53219. Yes, it is there. B62, B B62, B6. Let's check it. Small. I want to pick up the first one. Smallest. I will explain you. Control shift and see. It is showing. If it is true, we'll pick up that number. All 7 rows. These are the where this value is occurring. In 7th row, in 9th row, 15th row, 19th row, 23 row. Okay. So you want in column wise 7, 7, 7, right? Okay. Instead of 1, I'll hardcore with columns. Just now I explained you. Columns. $F7. I'm locking the column but not the row. F7 again. Those parameters. Now highlight this part, it will show you the 1. Okay. When I drag this formula to here, it will pick up the second one. Highlight whole thing F9, it will pick up the 7. So shift down arrow. Then what it will pick up here? Second smallest, third smallest, fourth smallest, fifth smallest, sixth smallest. If it is available, here only 2 are there, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Only 2 are available, 7 and 8. And here it is 30458. Here only it is there. Formula here. Pick up 9th one. Okay, 9th one you can pick up. 9, 10 like that. Okay. Now simply use, we got the row number. Okay, simply use index of which one you want the game name. Okay, F4, comma, come to end, close parenthesis, control, shift and enter. So it will pick up the position. And if you want to rid of errors, what to do? If you find any error in this function, give me the blank. Let's run formula as it is. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will explain you step by step. Okay. Small. First of all, check small. F9. So it will pick up numbers and falses. If it is fine, it will pick up the correct number 7 and 8. And what it will do, the columns part, we are asking column part to pick F9. It is what is the 1. So first to smallest, that is 7. Where it went? Yes, 7. It is 7. So I drag formula, it will be like this only. This one will become 2. So it will pick up the second smallest. No other numbers are there over there. Okay, escape. Now I will show you another method. Okay. See. First of all, what I'll do, the same formula. Row of little bit small difference. Row of this F4 minus row of B6 F4 plus 1. Those parameters. Divided by the criteria. Here is the magic. Divided by the criteria. So enter F4 equal to this. I'm locking here, I'm locking the column. Now I close parenthesis. Here what it will become? If it is found, it is true. Here we are taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all those things. Here true and false. Now if I highlight it, what will happen? 1 divided by false divisible by 0 error. And 1 divided by true, it will pick up the 1, F9. So here we can't see because the large data is there. Okay. Now what we'll do now, without control shift enter, I'm explaining you. Aggregate. Which function do you need? I need the smallest. So pick up the 15, comma, and in this array, if Any errors are there? Yes, errors are there. So what you'll do, ignore hidden rows, ignore this one, error value 6. If errors are there, ignore that one and pick up the only the values, but not the errors. Okay. And here we'll do small of rows, column wise, not rows, sorry, columns of what is there, $7, $07, colon $07. Control, I'm entering only enter to pick up the position. Okay. Now, over here. Okay. Now simply use index of game at 4 comma. This is the game part. Control enter. Here, yeah, in this you have to use control shift enter. There is no curly bracket. So error of error, same function. If error, if error. If you find any error in this function, give me the blank. So enter, not control enter, enter only enter. Okay. One of my mouse. Right. Now. Okay. If it is duplicate over here, another same number, control C, and here we'll take control V. Okay. So duplicates. So pick upping the same thing. Okay. If you have any doubts, ask me. Here I'll explain you guys. Thank you. Thanks for your support.